Well, hello everybody. I'm Jerry Emge. Welcome to Jerry Emge's Real Estate Whiteboard. I'm with Keller Williams The Lakes in Lake Elsinore, California. I'm a realtor here in western Riverside County. And I do these videos on a regular basis, usually once a week, quite often, more often than that. And I try to cover various real estate topics for people who are out there buying and selling homes. Just to share more information. If you like my videos, when you get a chance to hit the thumbs up, do that. And when you get a chance to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. After you do that, you can hit the little notification bell and you'll be notified when new videos go live. So the topic I wanted to talk about today, I want to be fairly brief, but I want to talk about home loan issues. In other words, what are the issues that borrowers have when it comes to getting a home loan? I don't want to go into all the credit details and all that. I've covered that in another video. But just in general, what are the issues that borrowers have in getting a home loan? Well, borrowers unanimously would like for the home loan process to be a lot easier. And there are three main process issues that borrowers go through and express an interest in reducing. Number one, they'd like to have a little bit less back and forth between themselves and anyone involved in that process, usually the loan officer, but it could be other people. It could be real estate agents. It could be back and forth with your employer. It could be back and forth with your bank. It could be back and forth with a lot of people. So they would like for that whole process to be a lot simpler. They would also like there to be a reduction in paperwork. Now, quite frankly, I don't see that happening in the foreseeable future. There may come a time when it'll be a lot more automated than it is now, and you won't have to deal with quite as much paperwork, but don't count on it. There's too many lawyers out there wanting to cover everybody's tail, and they do it with documentation. So buyers unanimously also would like for it to be a lot easier to shop for a loan. And quite often, in order to shop for a loan, you have to provide a lot of information. And so you're doing that multiple times, and it just gets to be a real pain. And quite frankly, borrowers don't like it. They go through it, they do it, they don't have a choice, but they'd sure like to have that dealt with. Almost all buyers and borrowers, I should say, almost all borrowers would like more personal interaction with the loan officer or anybody in the process. Sometimes it could be your real estate agent also. When it comes to the loan itself, they would like for the loan officer or the loan person they're dealing with to explain the loan to them in detail and explain any options that might be available to them. It's a shame that sometimes people aren't given options. They just said, this is the loan that we're selling this week, and that's it. There's lots of options out there, and you just have to have a loan officer who's willing and able to share those with borrowers. Inevitably would like someone to help them review the final documents before they sign them. I can understand that. It can be very overwhelming to someone not well versed in loan lingo, if you will. So having someone there to help explain, what the documents that they're signing are all about is very important to a lot of people. This whole concept of loan issues has to do primarily with personal interaction and the amount of paperwork involved in the process. That's all I wanted to talk about today. Keep it nice and brief. Thank you so much for watching. Get a chance to like my videos. And here comes a little bit of information about me. You can pause the video when you see it and write down my phone number and email address. You can get hold of me anytime you want to. I'm happy to talk about anything regarding real estate. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.